Hello friends, I'm Fatima. Did you hear that? Oh wow, look at all these farm animals. Come on, let's go to the old Macdonald farm and learn farm animals. Old Macdonald had a farm. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Yes, the duck says quack, 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 quack. Can you say quack, quack? With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. Can you guess what a horse is? Yes, the horse says neigh. With a neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh, neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. Do you know what a hen says? The hen says cluck, 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 cluck. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck, cluck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Yes, a cow says moo. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does the sheep say? Can you guess? Yes, the sheep says ba, ba. With a ba, ba here and a ba, ba there. Here ba, there ba, everywhere ba, ba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. What does a dog say? That's so easy. The dog says woof, 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 woof. With a woof, woof here and a woof, woof there. Here woof, there woof, everywhere woof, woof. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had animals, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. It was so much fun learning farm animal with you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching. For more fun videos, please subscribe to this channel. Macdonald